Hi guys, I'm not recording this with an external microphone, so I hope you can still understand me. This is about how a salt water pool can hold up without running the pump, without any additional chemicals in the pool for about 2.5 days. Yeah, we have been struggling here with power after Hurricane Milton. And as you can see, the pool is still holding up really nicely. Of course, I've been brushing a little bit and skimming off some leaves or some caterpillars which have been attracted by the pool for some reason, but I've just put the pool cleaner back couple of hours ago and it has been cleaning a little bit on the ground. Other than that, it looks exactly the same as when the power came back, and you can see there is nothing green or so. When I look back at the time when I had a normal chlorine pool, and after losing power our pool has been turning green after very short time. I mean, I don't have any scientific proof or so, I don't have any pictures to compare, but my impression is that a saltwater pool is holding up much better after a power outage, for example from a hurricane. We had this now 2 times in a row, power outage for a couple of days, and there was absolutely no problem. I have my chlorinator just in normal regular position, not like in a shock condition where it would put more chlorine into that. I tried this before the hurricane, but it was showing high salt levels. For some reason the salt levels haven't been abnormally high, just around 3100 ppm, so really nothing special, and it's still holding up really nicely here. I don't see any major cloudiness other than from brushing a little bit, and definitely nothing green. There is no smell, no nothing, no special stains or so, and I'm pretty sure it would have held up even a couple of days longer. Of course, we haven't been using the pool during the time when there was no power. Of course, I would definitely recommend to not use a pool when there is no extra chlorine or no extra salt or some other sanitizers in it, because I think then the pool could react very sensitive to that. I just wanted to keep this video pretty short, just my first impressions here, and again, no scientific thing, but it would be really interesting to learn from you what's your experience with a saltwater pool, especially compared to a normal chlorine pool, holding up without a pool pump running and without putting any extra chlorine in it during power outage. So please write everything what you have, what's your experience down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.